tanki dam nyeki che denki lam kakang le abe she chitang de pomade nyam tu tanki ke wa poding kang palet ki che tom ki lam kaki ne takpati kola ta che ridi kora gya che si Mase momula lingko lesha tek joy nyam de lesha simsang ki shet singar ma tuwe nang la nyam do tim ta cha ye em ni tsai kale kale tung te te modi tendo ni kale kale shenki nyeki che Tapşe yanse çene Mitedi demo ciredwa
Hi, hello, Tishle Sangmalu, and today I decided to film something in my room because it's been ages since I filmed anything in this room. Like for the past 1 month, I have been traveling here and there with my families for pilgrimage purposes, and yeah, that's why I couldn't stay in touch with my vlogging and be that active in YouTube platforms. So today I decided to film something upon coming back from the trip. Like it's been 4 or 5 days, I guess, coming back to my room, and yeah, at last the trip has come to an end and all of my family has returned back to home. Yeah, and I don't know what I'm going to film or anything, but let's see how the days goes, and I will try to be I will try to be active in this platform. Like usually I don't feel like filming, or sometimes I feel too lazy to do anything. Yeah, but life has to go on, so yeah. Let's start the day, guys.
She's a deadhead sticker and a camo hat. She's a fill up the van and never look back. Tie-dye bandana, Monterey to Montana, and a hand out the window when surfing away. Oh, one of these days, wish I could get her to stay. She's out there now, can't tie her down. Can't count what I'd give to be with her. She'll pass through town, come back around, rolling in and out like the river. She's free as the wind, and I'm caught in her love. 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 Met her last summer at a Red Rock show. She was barefoot dancing in the 15th row. Rose-colored sunglasses, sundress with some magic, and her hands in the air, just watching her sway. Feelings like that don't fade. Was a hell of a day. She's out there now, can't tie her down. Can't count what I'd give to be with her. She'll pass through town, come back around, rolling in and out like the river. She's free as the wind, and I'm caught in her love. I'm caught in her love. I'm caught in her love. I'm caught in her love.
garlic.